Hello, today I will show you an overview of the new Golden West Webmail's Settings feature. First, log into your Golden West Webmail, and in the upper right-hand corner, select Settings. To change your user preferences, select Preferences in the left-hand column, and then Section, User Interface. This section covers most of the elements contained within the user interface, including date formats, refresh intervals, and interface skins. The options we have available to us are our language, and you can choose between a large list of languages, but please note, not all features may work if another language is chosen. You can then select your time zone. If you choose not to, your time zone will be automatically selected for you. You can change the time format, as well as your date format. And we also have a box here called Pretty Dates, and with this option checked, dates close to today will be translated into relative terms like today, yesterday, etc. Under Refresh, you can choose how often Webmail should consult the mail server to check for new messages. Under Interface Skin, you can choose between Classic, which closely resembles the previous Golden West Webmail, or the new skin, Larry, which you're seeing right now. Under Browser Options, you'll see Handle pop-ups as standard windows. And when Webmail opens messages or the compose form in a new window, this can either be a detached window with a smaller size and without toolbar buttons, or with this option activated, be a regular browser window or even just another tab in your current window. If enabled, all windows opened by the Webmail application obey the settings of your browser. Under Register Protocol Handler for Mail To links, you can register this Webmail app to be opened whenever you click an email link somewhere on the web. For more information on Golden West Webmail and other settings, please visit goldenwest.com/webmail.